Road Trippin' is brought to you by General RV, Smith & Edwards, and Visit Anaheim.
When you think of Anaheim, you think of amusement parks, magical memories, fireworks, and of course food. Well, I have that covered because I'm here at Anaheim Packing House, where there are more food options than you can think of. We're gonna head inside and meet Devon. She runs the show. Let's go inside. Devon. Oh my gosh. Hi, Kaime. Oh my gosh, this place is amazing.
Thank you.
I want to hear all about it.
Have you ever been here before?
Unfortunately, no, but today's my first day, so I'm winning.
Okay, well, welcome. The Anaheim Packing House was originally a 1919 orange citrus packaging facility.
Wow, that's a really fun fact.
I know. So fast forward to 10 years ago, actually, it became Orange County's original food hall. So you could come here and try a little bit of everything from all around the world. There's 29 individual businesses in here, all small, mom and pop. You won't see any national chains here, but we have everything. We even have a grilled cheese bar. We have a French boulangerie. We have soul food, Mexican food, Thai food, all the different kinds of food. If you can imagine it, we have it.
Well, I told you guys there is something for everyone here, and I can't wait to see the food.
Yeah, and I actually have a surprise for you.
I love surprises. Wow, Devon, you were not lying. This is the best surprise ever. You know I love food, right?
Yes, I do too.
All right, so 10 years. Talk to me about, this is a very special year.
Yes, so the Packing House actually opened as Orange County's original food hall 10 years ago. So we're celebrating a decade of deliciousness, and what better with our 10-year businesses who have actually been here for 10 years with us. So we're all turning 10 together, so this is like a 10-year-old's dream birthday party.
Starting with some Indian food.
Amazing Indian food from Adia. So Chef Shachi is an award-winning chef. She's actually won an episode of Chopped, which is incredible, which we're super proud. And then we also have Georgia's, and we have Nana Gretchen, and she's literally the heart and soul of the Packing House. So she brought her soul here, and it's on a plate. And this special that you see here, this 2-piece fried chicken, is going to be on special for only $10.
And it smells so good. Oh my gosh. Okay, what do we have over here?
Then we also have the Croft, which is comfort reinvented. If you haven't ever heard of a poutine, it's basically a Canadian delicacy, but they've taken and put their own twist. So we have a Philly cheesesteak poutine, a smash burger, and then their birria, which they just released. And this is a birria egg roll with consommé.
Okay, so once I eat all of this, we have dessert, right?
Absolutely. You can't be at the Packing District without dessert. So we also have one other place here that has been celebrating 10 years with us, which is Pop Bar, and that's gelato on a stick.
Oh my gosh, don't tell my 4-year-old. He'd be like running in here. All right, where can everyone go for more information if they want to look up maybe some of the menu items?
So AnaheimPackingDistrict.com, that's where you'll find our calendar of events, like our 10-year celebrations, including World Taste, which is coming this summer. And then also you can go to Packing District on any social media platform.
All right, you guys, thank you so much. This looks so good. Let's go eat.
Let's dig in.